Welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are going to take a look over Croc Nest. It is a baked bean fork but on the Chronos network. So Crocodile Nest, the best CRO reward pool with the lowest developer fee and the best daily return. Hire your crocodiles now and generate passive income hatching and selling eggs. So currently as we can see there are 3.7 million CRO tokens in the contract. So it has been 9 days since their launch, so they are pretty new in this space. Their daily return is 8% and APR is 2920 and their total fees is 4%, which they have divided into marketing fee of 2% and developer fee of 2%. So basically what you do in these types of projects, you come in here, you will commit your CRO tokens. Suppose if you want to commit 1000 CRO tokens, for example, you'll type it in 1000 and you will click on the higher Crocs button. What this will does, this will take your 1000 CRO tokens and it will convert them into Crocos, which means this is our sunk cost and you cannot get that back as it is. The only way that you can get that back is through the daily rewards, which will come to in a second. So now you will have 1000 CRO tokens worth of Crocos over here. So now these Crocos will generate rewards for you in the form of CRO tokens per day. So the higher number of Crocos that you have, the more rewards they will generate in the form of CRO tokens per day. So how these protocols works basically is through the 6:1 strategy. 6:1 optimal strategy to get the best return is to hatch your eggs, which is compound for 6 days straight, and sell your eggs on the 7th day each week. If you claim more frequently, you will get less and less rewards daily. So suppose if you are committing your 1000 CRO tokens on Monday, you will come on Tuesday at the same time you will click on Hatch X button, which is basically the compound button. You will keep doing this until Saturday, but on Sunday you will come at the same time and you will click on the Sale X button, which is basically the claim button, and it will take all the rewards generated for Sunday into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that you use. Now coming over to their white paper, the Crocodile Nest, a CRO reward pool with a daily APR return fixed to 8% and the smallest fees found in the Chronos chain. Now what do I do with my eggs? Eggs can be used in two ways. The first way is to hatch them and get even more crocodiles, which is the compound. The second way is to sell them in exchange for CRO tokens, which is the claim button. Anti-whale. The contract has a built-in anti-whale feature that is necessary in order to secure more sustainability. Suppose user 1 compounds 6 days and claims on the 7th day, this user gets the highest daily percentage in that 24-hour period. User 2 compounds 5 days and claims 2 days, this user gets a lower percentage. And user 3, if he compounds 4 days and claims 3 days, this user gets an even lower percentage. So the more times you claim in a week, the less rewards you will get. So in these protocols, it is best if you use the 6:1 strategy, and by using that strategy, you will get your investment back in 6 to 8 weeks. So they have a Telegram group as well. I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please go through them yourselves and read as much as you can and do your own research. So guys, this is it. This is the Crocodile Nest miner. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And remember, this is not a financial advice, and do your own research before entering into any of these projects. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.